Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Safari Clear History grayed out in iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here click on Utilities folder, click on Safari app. Now in Safari, click on this three dot icon and click on bookmark icon. So you will see history is not showing here. So go back to home screen. Now here click on go to app library. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on screen time. Now here scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions. Now here third is app store, media and web and games. So click on. Now here scroll down, click on web content. Now here click on first. So after the process, go back and check your history is showing. So your history is showing here. So after the process, go back to home screen. So if it not showing, so power off the phone, power button and volume down button. So you will see power of the phone. After the restarting, your history is showing in Safari. So that's how you can fix Safari Clear History grayed out on iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Pro. Hope so you like the video. Thanks.